Are you new to the fitness industry? Are you clueless as regards fitness? Then you are on the right channel, because I'll be sharing with you what to do and how to prepare yourself in this journey of fitness. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So good to have you all here. So today I will be preparing your minds for the fitness lifestyle. Yeah, so you want to join the Fit Fam? Here are the things that you should note and how to prepare so that you are not out of line on your fitness journey. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, you should do that already, because I'm about to dish out some great content right about this minute. One thing to note, as much as you're trying to prepare your body or prepare your materials like clothes and wears and what have you, one thing to note, or one thing to prepare adequately for, or prepare adequately, is your mind. You have to get your mind prepared. Yeah, I know this might not be taken as importantly as should or as ought to, but trust me, it is one very vital criteria to look into, one very vital thing to note, because this mind is what really controls most of our being. Our mind is what really controls what we give out. So if your mind is not ready, then your body cannot meet up with it. So you have to prepare your mind. Yeah, it's good, like I said, it's good to prepare your clothes, your wears, prepare your body. You know, when I mean prepare your body, you know what I'm talking about. So like, get yourself all excited. But at the same time, your mind has to stay positive. Your mind has to be renewed. I've had this idea of fitness as a daunting task or as something that should be feared and hated. It's about time that you change your mentality. See fitness as self-development, you know, as an avenue to grow, to make yourself better. So that is something to be excited for. When it comes to fitness, your mind is as important as your body. Now, fitness is beyond the body. It has to do with the mind. It encompasses your body, your spirits, and your mind. Everything works hand in hand. It all goes together. That's why I tell people your spirit has to be elated. You can't go into the gym or start a workout routine feeling all down and depressed. It will take you so much to finish a set. So your spirit has to be elated. You must know that yes, you are going to the gym, or yes, you're about to start this workout program, and yes, it's going to bring positive results. Be positive about it. Go all the way out. Be excited. Let people see the excitement in you and be like, oh, what's going on with this lady? What's going on with this guy? I mean, what's getting me all excited? One thing to do for yourself that would really help you is to debunk every negative idea that people have planted in your head about fitness. Disregard all of them and come in clean, like a clean slate, to the house of fitness, to the gym, or to your workout spot or workout place. Go in like a newborn baby who doesn't know anything and who is just really innocent. And allow this process, get used to this process yourself. Know the gym workout, the fitness lifestyle for yourself. Don't let anybody tell you what is not. Fitness would work for you. That routine would work for you. If you have that mentality, then you're well on your way and you're good to go in the fitness journey. Now, I know that many of us could be overambitious sometimes. Like for the first time you go to the gym or you're about to start a workout and you expect it to like work. You expect like all the results start showing up all at once. Hey, you're gonna have to calm down a little. Yep, because this is a journey, not a one-night stand thing. Get what I mean? So you're gonna have to calm down so much, and you're gonna have to, the aim is to love this lifestyle. It's not just to use and dump the lifestyle. That is why fitness takes time. It takes time for you to develop. It takes time for the results to show. I think that is actually a really cool thing, because you're going to have to love a thing before you start to see results, before you start to see the effectiveness of that thing. one thing you should know, fitness is in love with you, not against you. So stop saying that, nah, it doesn't work for me. Probably for someone else. Nah, fitness is not my thing, it is your thing. Fitness is for everybody. If that person could get that, you can also get it. So how about you change that mentality as well? Yep. Now I want you all to know something. Fitness is not a competition. So you really should stop going to the gym and looking at someone else and like, okay, I'm gonna be better than that person, and stop evaluating your success based on that person's success. You should stop doing that to yourself. It's very unhealthy. This is personal development and personal growth. It is about yourself. How you're trying to how you're going to be better than who you were yesterday, not how you're going to be better than somebody else. They have their own goal and their own journey. You have your own journey. Face your journey. Face your life. If you're focusing on someone else, you won't get the result that you're supposed to get. That's it. So why not focus on yourself and leave what someone else is doing? Let that person do what he's doing and get his results. And do what you're doing, face what you're doing and get your results. When I'm in competition, now it's okay to compete against who you were yesterday or against who you are today and try to be better each day. That is the aim. Not compete with someone else. Alright? And you guys, learn to love your routines. Stop hating on these routines. So you see like an exercise routine, a workout routine, you're like, nah, I'm not doing that. Hey, still boils down to the issue of mindset. You're gonna have to love these routines. That's the only way to work for you. That's the only way you can be effective at it. Love your routines. Fitness is not to shame you, but to make you much more confident, to make you better. So love those routines. So when like your fitness instructor or you see a routine somewhere, or one of the routines I'll be sharing with you, and you're like, okay, you want to try this. And already when you see this routine, you're like, maybe not for me. Pass it to the next person. I'll pass on this one. You're not doing yourself any good. Learn to take fits. Learn to be daring. Try out new things. Now, I'm not saying that you should be over ambitious, because some people now will take this thing to be something else. I'm not saying you should go to the gym for the first time and start trying to carry like a 20 kg all at once without you ever trying to lift the weight before. Don't do that. Don't hurt yourself. I'm saying love your routines. I'm saying be curious. Yeah, that brings me to curiosity. You should be curious, but don't be curious in a positive way. Don't be too curious. Curiosity, they say, it keeps the cat. So you want to tone down your curiosity sometime. Yeah. So, be curious, but then know when to, put a limit to your curiosity. Otherwise, you might not like what you'll be hearing or seeing. So it's a gradual process, one step at a time. Love it, enjoy it, take your time. It's a process of growth. Growth does not happen in a day. It takes time. If you're willing to grow in other areas of your life, why not in this area of your life? Invest in it. Invest your mind, your spirit, your energy, your time into fitness. It's one thing to note as well. This has always been my story too. So what fascinated me and got like my curiosity spiked was when I started, working out. I got into the system. I got used to it. It became my lifestyle, right? And I began to see that, okay, I began to understand how the whole muscle contraction and relaxation works. So I would feel my muscle while working out, while exercising. I'll feel my muscle contract and relax. And that really spiked my curiosity. I was like, okay, what's happening here? And that got me really interested. That, okay, it seemed like the muscles are actually building up. That's a good thing. So I'll read up more on it, read up on that aspect, of the workout I was doing. And, so that would make me look forward to the next day. I'll be like, okay, if I felt my muscle moving this way, it seems that I'm doing it better. Okay, I could put in more effort, and if I keep putting in more effort, I'll keep seeing results. And, this, I'm saying so many times, and this would make the workout routines more effective. So that was my story. It could be yours too. How about you give it a try? So we've established that your spirit must be elated and your mind must be positive if you want to start well on your fitness journey. Now, which brings me to your body. Yep, you're gonna have to get your body prepared for the loads of goodness that's about to hit it. That's right. And to do that, yes, you have to prepare your body. When I mean preparing your body, prepare all that you need so that you're not uncomfortable in the gym. Your wears, your gym wears, I said earlier in the video, your gym wears, yep, you have to get something that you're comfortable in so that you're not in the gym and you're like all grumpy and uncomfortable and you're, feeling so uneasy with your routines. That wouldn't be nice. It could make your routines all messy for you. So get your clothes prepared, get your wears prepared, get shoes that you're comfortable in. If you also your hair, if you know that your hair might disturb you, you can pack it in a bun or just wear a cap that will fit well, that won't be disturbing while you're working out. If you need to get accessories, are there accessories or got equipment? Maybe if you need to get those things like AirPods so that you can listen to music, you should get them. Yep, talking about music, speaking of music, I think music is also music is actually a good way to keep your spirit alive when you're working out. So it's good to have your playlist arranged so that, as you're listening to that music, you feel motivated to want to keep pushing. Music actually works for me a whole lot. Every time it works for me. So if I'm going to be doing 5 sets of a particular routine, when I have the music plugged in my ears, man, I could go like 7 rounds. Did I say 7 rounds? 7 sets of that routine. So music really helps. Yeah, when coming to the gym as well, you should get your water. You want to stay hydrated. Get yourself hydrated before you start your workout and also stay hydrated. There are times that you might feel dehydrated, so having a water by your side could really help you so that you don't pass out. Okay, that was a joke, but really, you know what I mean. You should have your water all the time. Now, you guys, you must really know when to draw the line, because now I said prepare your body, right? Prepare your wears and all of that stuff. Some people might want to take it to the extreme and start planning and over planning and be like, okay, so what kind of wear, and keep your fashion sense intact. I'm not saying you should not do that, but you're going to have to place priorities, right? Don't stress it too much. It's okay to look good and beautiful in your gym wear, perfect. But if you can't get certain things and if you can improvise, that's okay. The aim is to grow. With time, you get those things later. You don't have to get everything perfect and all laid down before you start your workout. Like I said, be comfortable enough. Do you understand? Be comfortable enough. Don't try to push too much if you can't get it. If you have the basic things that you need, I think everybody should have the basic things. Do you understand? Something you're comfortable in, at least a comfortable set of shoes or pair of shoes. I think you're good to go. You're good to go, really. So don't put too much pressure on yourself as regards what to wear and all that stuff and all the old gym equipment. Just take it easy on yourself, one step at a time, all right? I want you to know that the way you are right now, you're perfect. You're amazing the way you are. So don't hate yourself. Love yourself before getting to the gym. It is only when you love yourself that you want to do, much more for yourself. It's only when you love yourself that you want to help yourself. If you don't love yourself, you really want to help yourself. So if you already hate your body or hate yourself, then you should stop doing that. Begin to love yourself. You're amazing the way you are. All you're trying to do is get better, which is not a bad thing, which is amazing. So love yourself where you are now and love yourself much to want to keep going, to want to get yourself to be better, to want to grow, to develop. Fitness is one of those ways to do that. So if you find yourself in the gym, regardless of your body size, or if you find yourself starting your fitness program, regardless of your body size, you should be happy that you decide to take on that you decide to take on that, project to becoming better. That is amazing in itself. So love yourself. With time, process does it. Enjoy the process. Enjoy it. Don't be in a haste to get that banging body. You'll get it. It's with time. It takes time. It takes resilience. It takes diligence. It takes you being determined, consistency, and practice. You have to keep wanting to do this. You have to keep going. Don't stop in your tracks. Don't stop at all. Keep at it, and you'll see results. You will definitely see results. In fact, from the first day you start working out, results are starting to show. It's just that they've not started to manifest in the physical yet. So there are a lot of process that goes on in our body, in our system. So you have to learn to be patient. I feel like fitness actually tests all Fitness actually tests all areas of our lives, honestly. So if you're into fitness or you decide to take on the fitness journey, trust me, you're doing yourself a whole lot of good. You're going to learn patience, you're going to learn endurance, you're going to learn resilience, you're going to be stronger, you're going to be much more confident. Oh my God, how amazing is that? Goodness. You should start, if you've not started having that mentality, if you've not decided to get on that fitness journey, this is the time to say yes to fitness. Yes to fitness. This is the time. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, it's about time to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos. Like I said, I'll be dropping routines on how to go ahead in this fitness journey. This is a journey, so we're in it together. You just have to stay glued, you have to stay loyal to this that you have decided to embark on. Stay loyal to it. So now that you're at the gym or your workout spot's a place and you're about to start your workouts, I'd like you to do these things or take to this advice before you finally start that routine. First of all, be aware of your environment. Be in your environment, be in it and let it be in you. Be in that environment of fitness and let it be in you. Be aware of where you are and what you're about to embark on. Embrace it, embrace this lifestyle, this fitness lifestyle you're about to embark on. Embrace it. Take a deep breath. Drink some water to stay filled up and refreshed. Take a walk. Plug in your ears with encouraging and relaxing music. Just take a walk around the gym or around the area where you'll be working out. After taking a walk, stretch a little, or you could stretch a little, then start.